Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Backup personal files to an external drive or cloud, and verify the backup can be opened. Once done, plug the laptop into power and make sure battery is above 50% so the process won't interrupt. Next, sign into an administrator account and check activation status so Windows reactivates after reset. Now open Settings and navigate to System Recovery. This is where you initiate the factory reset for a clean start. You now select how the reset runs and why those choices matter. Once in recovery, click Reset this PC and decide between Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Keep files if you need documents preserved, remove everything for a true factory state. Then pick Cloud Download for the latest image or local reinstall to use existing files. Choose Cloud if you want fresh updates, local if bandwidth is limited. Finally, review advanced options like cleaning the drive if you plan to donate, or you finish by confirming your choices and starting the reset. Expect the process to take 30 to 90 minutes depending on option and hardware. Once complete, follow the out-of-box setup, sign into your Microsoft account, and reinstall apps from the store or original installers. Make sure to restore your backed up files and verify updates are installed. If the reset fails or the laptop stalls, boot to safe mode or use Windows installation media to run repair tools and retry the reset. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.